Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got myself this electric bike pump, and I'm going to show you guys how this works. I guess you could probably use it for cars and stuff too, but it's good for bikes because it can get up to a super high pressure because like my bike runs, I like to bike when it's like 100 PSI. So let's see what we got here in the box. So in the box we have I guess that's going to be the pump in there. We have the little tube, a USB, excuse me, the USB-C charger. We get a couple of little inflators for balls, and I guess this is going to be the Presta converter. And then we have a little manual. So let's check this thing out in here. Hopefully it won't all slide off of my wheel. Let's see how this looks. It's kind of cool. It's got the little straps on it, so I can strap it onto my bike somewhere. So I can take it with me when I need to. Very nice. So this is what it looks like here. Got the little plastic I can peel off. And then I would put this on here, I guess, to make it go. So I have, mine is currently, this bike here is going to be the Presta one, so I'm going to need that little converter for it. Basically, it just kind of extends it on a little bit, so it'll fit that little nozzle thing. Okay, so let's see, how do we turn it on here? We got a little power button. I think I hold it down maybe. Yep, on. So now we can change the PSI, so I would change this to way up high. Let's see, is it just plus? I guess I have to just push it a million times for it to get up to 100, huh? But it looks like it comes charged with the battery, so that's kind of cool. Oh, 50 is the most it goes? No way. It said it went to 100. Maybe I gotta push the right button on it. Oh, there it is, PSI 100. Oh, I was on something else, but now it says PSI 100. So now let me hook it up to my tire here, which is... Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how this works. I totally was messed up. I don't know what that little nozzle is for. That little nozzle must be for a different type of one. But look, you go like this. See, it screws in like this. And that's the regular Schrader one. And then you unscrew this and pull it out. And that's how you can connect it to a Presta pump. So it just makes it one pipe to do it all. So how cool is that? That makes it way easier and super awesome. And you saw I got it up to like whatever, 85 or so. I don't want to go fully 100. I'm not riding it right now, so I don't need it all the way full up. But it's pretty hard, so it's good. Definitely like it. Thumbs up on this for sure. I guess I need to charge it probably, so guess better do that.